Yeah, hey everybody, welcome back in Bright School. And today I'm gonna teach you how to use die, died, dead, and dead. I think that you might be confused how to use them in daily conversation or in daily English. So today I'm gonna break them down. We're going to break down the differences between them. The first, die is the verb in the simple present, and died is the verb in the simple past tense. Examples: he's very sick. The doctors say he's going to die. So die is simple present tense. The second, the nurse comforted the dying soldier. The nurse comforted the dying soldier. So dying is simple present tense. The third, one of the country's most famous authors died last week. So look at died is in simple past tense. Next, dead is the adjective of die. So we often use it with the verb to be. With the verb to be is mr. Is mr before a noun. Example, he died in 1972. He has been dead for over 30 years. The victim was dead by the time the ambulance arrived. I found a dead rat under my bed. Police discovered a dead body in the basement of the old building. Informally, we can also use die or dead when an electronic device stops functioning, or when a phone or internet connections gets disconnected. Examples: I need to recharge my cell phone. The battery is dead. The second, my laptop died and the computer repairman said he can't fix it. Before I could ask my question, the line went dead. It means the telephone connection got cut off. The telephone connection got cut off. The last is how to use dead. So dead is a noun of a die. The concept or idea of the state after life. The concept or idea of the state after life. So it is the opposite of life. Death is the opposite of life. Examples: death comes to us all. Death comes to us all. It means the state of being dead is inevitable. Next, death scares some people. Death scares some people. It means the idea of dying scares some people. When you die, it will make people scared. Next, drinking alcohol and driving can cause death. Drinking alcohol and driving can cause death. It can make people dead. It brings death and causes death to people's life. You or someone else could die if you drink and drive. You or someone else could die if you drink and drive.